Morning guys, welcome to the last week of home learning for phonics for year one, or my phonics group really, not just year ones. Here are our 5 tricky words for this week. Okay, they've all got the same sound, or they all rhyme actually. So let's have a go at reading them together, and then I want you to go and do a little activity. Pause the video and go and do it. Or you can do it after the video, it's absolutely fine. So we've got old, told, cold, gold, and hold. So the O makes an O sound in all of these words. It's only the first letter that changes. Okay, we're going to be doing some activities around these words during the week. But what I'd like you to do is, and you can do it now, or you can do it after the video if you want to, but I'd like you to go outside and I'd like you to write the words. You can write them on a fence, on the patio, or on a wall. You can do it in paint, you can do it in chalk, you can do it in water if you want to. If you want to send me a photo of you doing it, that's brilliant. If not, don't worry about it. But I just want you to write these words anywhere you can. Okay, so pause the video now if you want to go and do it now. If not, we're going to carry on. Okay, so first of all, we're going to have a look at the O graphemes for this week. We've done a lot of these before, so the phonics sessions for this week will be a little bit quicker, a little bit shorter, less of me talking, more of you doing the work. So what I want you to do, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 words on the board, or on the screen. I'd like you to copy them down and then to put the sound buttons underneath them, please. Okay, for all the different O sounds, or all the different words. So pause the video and do that now. Okay, here we go. So you should have coat. It looks like this. Here we've got toes. Here we've got both, which was one of our tricky words from last week. We've got e, only. Snow, stone, and alone, oat, and o. So coat, some of you put on. Toes, you know what toes are. Both, only, snow, stone, alone, others split digraph, O sounds. Doe is a female deer. We've got float and we've got flow. Okay. So which O sounds have you got? There are 5 of them. Let's see if we can write them all down underneath those words that you've just put in. So we have O. We have O. We have OE. We have the split digraph O, and we have an O by itself. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to focus on this one today. So we're just going to have a go at copying this one down. So we're just going to write it. We're going to join our sound together. So we go round for the O. The O joins at the top, so we go across, round as if we were doing the curly cur. Up and down, and again. O, O. And a third time, O, round. There we go. So what are the rules for the O sound? Let's have a look at it. So the O grapheme always appears in the middle of words. It never comes at the end. So you will never see these 2 letters at the end of a word. If it's got an O sound at the end, it's going to be one of the other ones. Okay. Right then, there are 2 activities. The first activity is using the sheet that you've got. Yeah, I'm going to go through both activities and then I'll let you go away and do it. The first activity is the sheet in your book. What I would like you to do is to underline all of the words that have our O sound for today. all of them. Let's see if you can find every single one. Might go through it tomorrow. And then your second activity is what could go at the start of these two words. Okay, now it could be one sound, it could be two sounds. I want you to see how many you can do. You should be able to do at least 3 for each one. And then can you use one ol and one ode in a sentence? Okay, and that is it for phonics for today. So the first bit is your sheet, the second bit is this, which you're going to do in your book. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.